Hey guys, Bruce Milligan here from Cell Pro Repair Solutions. I am doing the charge port replacement on the A505FN. This is basically the headphone jack broke off inside it, and we're going to replace this guy. And this is the phone here. Let's have at it. Alright, now we want to take off all the screws. Alright, so now we're going to basically just take our picks and run them down the phone like so. And as you can see, this is starting to open up like that. So once you get a little bit of handle on it, you can then probably just use your fingernail. Oh, I'm gonna have to use this. Just make sure there aren't any screws that aren't missing. Okay. And actually, you know what? Let's take this SIM card tray out as well. Turn the phone off. Oh, double SIM.
And there we go.
Let's make sure the phone is off because I don't know if it definitely did turn off. You know what? Let's just disconnect the battery. Battery disconnected. All right. This is really quite interesting, this one. This looks like I can probably just remove this right out of the way, to tell you the truth. Okay, or not. Let's just leave that alone, actually. I don't know what that's doing. Let's leave it alone. Oh, it's screwed in, that's why. You know what? Yeah, let's move it. So this looks like it has two screws here, so fingerprint sensor. We're also going to pop that guy off. And this guy obviously stays there. And I bet it is glued into place. Because why wouldn't it be? So let's heat it up a bit. Gonna hit it with about 150 degrees. Cool, and that's off. Let's make sure we got the right piece. So we can just reattach that because we don't need it anyways. Let's slide this puppy into place. Let's attach that. All right, now that's in place. Now we're going to take this guy. That's in. That's in place as well. Okay. Now I'm going to put this back on. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.